I'm Laura Banford, and I'm going to show you how to make white bean escarole soup. Now we're going to really get this soup going, and we're going to add a lot of different ingredients in a row. We're going to put some potatoes. I chopped up some new red potatoes. I'm going to add some substance to the soup. And then we're going to add one of the stars of our show, the beans. All those beans that we soaked overnight. And the other star of the show, the escarole. Escarole looks like lettuce, but it's not. It needs to be cooked. And that's what we're going to do now. And then I have some nice low sodium chicken stock. Let me turn the heat up on this. Whoops. And let's stir that around and see what we've got. Oh yeah, that's a perfect amount. You don't want too much stock because you want to get all the flavor. Doesn't that look beautiful? Look at all the colors. Green and the red potatoes and the orange carrots and the beautiful smoked nitrate-free sausage. That looks great. Okay, now we're going to simmer that for about 25 minutes. And when we come back, I'll show you the ingredients for our garlic Asiago bread.